In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open MetaTrader 5 and access charts efficiently. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, having a well-organized workspace can significantly impact your trading experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open MetaTrader 5. This platform is a powerful tool used by traders worldwide for its versatility and in-depth charting capabilities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout once you have it open. It might seem complex at first, but soon you'll find it's quite intuitive. Next, you might notice that some elements are missing from the default view. In particular, the Market Watch window isn't always visible initially. Not to worry, there's a simple shortcut to bring it up. Just press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can also navigate through the menus by heading to View, then clicking on Market Watch. This window is crucial as it lists all the trading symbols available for you to monitor and trade. Once Market Watch is visible, you'll see a list of symbols such as EURUSD, XAUUSD, and BTCUSD, among others. These symbols represent different currency pairs, commodities, or cryptocurrencies that you might want to trade. However, if you're unable to find the symbol you're looking for at first glance, it's possible that it might not be displayed by default. Here's a nifty trick to ensure all available symbols are shown. Right-click anywhere within the Market Watch window. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. From here, select Show All. This action will populate your Market Watch list with every symbol that can be traded on the platform, eliminating any missing options. This step is especially useful for those of you looking to explore diverse trading instruments or specific niche markets. Now that you've got all the symbols in view, the next step is to open a detailed chart for your chosen symbol. To do this, locate the symbol you're interested in from your expanded Market Watch list. Once you've found it, right-click on the symbol. This will bring up another menu. From this list of options, select Chart Window. This will open up a detailed chart in a new tab within MetaTrader 5, offering you a graphical representation of the market's movements for that particular symbol. Remember, the chart window is where you can analyze trends, apply technical indicators, and ultimately make informed trading decisions. It's a space for observation and strategizing, so take a moment to customize it to your liking. Whether it's adjusting the time frame, the type of chart, or layering on technical tools that fit your trading style. With these steps, you're well on your way to navigating MetaTrader 5 with confidence.